Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install the NLTK library in your VS Code. We will be using the PIP module to get the NLTK packages. So let's start. First, after opening up the VS Code, you need to head on to the VS Code terminal and then you need to type in the following command, which is pip install NLTK. Once you have typed in, simply hit the enter button and wait for the process initialization. Here you can see that the packages are being collected and downloaded. Once that has been done, you can see this message which says successfully installed, click version this, Chlororoma and NLTK with other packages. These are the prerequisite packages which also comes with the NLTK library. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.